What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. I'm here again with my son Adam, and we haven't been for a ride in my Integra in like 3 months because of the shutdown, the COVID stuff. So today's gonna be the day. We're gonna take it for a little bit of a spin. Sorry about your feet there, buddy. The car is pretty dirty from all the pollen from these trees falling. We just washed it a couple days ago, so you know, I Windexed off the windshield so you wouldn't be staring at all that pollen. And you know, we just want to go for a little cruise, stretch her legs a little bit, see how she acts. So yeah, come along with us, and yeah, thanks for joining us.
Hi, much, bye.
You ready, big guy?
No loud.
Be a little loud.
No loud.
Be a little loud.
What?
You'll be okay.
No loud.
All right, y'all. First start. Here we go.
No loud. No loud.
Completely dead.
Got him!
No.
Here we go.
No loud.
Sounds good. Sure is good to be back in this thing. She's been sitting for 3 months. Got a lot of plans for this car. We have to replace the oil pan gasket. We got to do the studs just like I did in my Civic. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you click the link above the top of this video right now. It'll take you to it. It's a pretty decent job. Adam and I got it done.
Yep.
Yep, we sure did, bud.
Yeah, drive.
Yep.
Yes, drive.
Yes. Hopefully this pollen will stop getting all over the place and I can actually keep it clean. You know, I really need a
Drive.
No, we're not done driving yet. Yeah, we're just gonna go for a little drive. So it is awfully hot, so I'm gonna turn on the air conditioner because we really need it.
And cold too.
Gotta blow those cobwebs off. good.
And then I was
Nope, gotta put a new clutch in. Yeah, not good. So yeah guys, the next step for this, so we're gonna be pulling the fender off that's damaged, and I'm gonna be replacing the mirror. We're gonna give her a good wash, and got some other stuff to install. We gotta do the oil pan gasket. Got a rear sway bar to install, which desperately needs. All that kind of fun stuff. Got a short throw shifter to put in. I'd say she's doing really well for her first time out in 3 months though. Definitely time for an oil change. You gonna help me with that oil change, buddy?
Yeah.
Changing the oil? Yep, and we need to fix the air conditioner because it's making a little squeak. So, we'll get that all taken care of.
Yes, heavy, they're heavy.
Yes, most of all, she needs a wash, doesn't she?
Wash.
Wash. She is dirty.
Dirty?
Dirty from all that pollen from the tree.
Tree?
Yeah, tree pollen.
They wash?
Yep, we're gonna wash it again. Probably not today, but in the next couple days we will. Thanks for going along for a ride with us. Really appreciate the love and support on the channel. I know this wasn't like a conventional video, but I thought maybe, you guys should come along with me for my first little rip. So like I said, we got some stuff to get done on the car here. We got the oil pan gasket. We've got to replace the mirror, it's zip tied on. I have a new fender to put on. I have some rear underspats to put on. We got the rear sway bar. We got to try and get the air conditioner straightened out. It's a lot of little things. We got speakers, short throw shifter. So lots of Integra videos to come. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Pick it up.
Peace out, Cub Scouts.